So hello friends, myself Tawheed and here I am going to discuss about the foot and mouth disease in animals. So synonym of the disease is aphthous fever, aphthosa and enzootic aphthy. Definition include it is a highly contagious febrile disease of cloven-footed animals. Formation of vesicles in mouth and feet of the cattle, sheep, goat and swine. Then the etiology is picornavirus groups. It has genus Aphthous virus and it has 7 serotype OAC and South African type that is SAT1, SAT2 and SAT3 and Asia 1 of which OAC and Asia 1 prevalent in India. Then the incubation period is few hour to few days. In sheep incubation period is 3 to 8 days. Then the susceptibility of the disease is all cloven-footed animals and is rarely fatal except very young animals. So if the animal is very young, then sometimes it may be fatal. The disease is also seen in elephants and camels. Then the transmission of the disease is through ingestion of contaminated materials. Then the pathogenesis. So virus is epitheliotropic. Epitheliotropic means virus which invades the epithelium of the animal, and the virus invades epithelium and multiplies, resulting in vesicle formation, finally causing focal areas of inflammation. Virus invades lymph and blood, resulting in viremia, and reaches epithelium of other numerous membranes, interdigital space, dorsum of tongue, jams, and producing vesicles. Causes myocardial degeneration in young calves. So the clinical signs include temperature, high temperature, fever, vesicles appears in mouth. The ruptures of the vesicle leads to ulceration. This ulceration, due to ulceration, the animal refuses feed in water. Vesicles on cleft feet leading to lameness. Also, vesicles also seen in lightly haired part, that is other than teeth. Vesicles produces smacking noise, smacking of tongue, drooling of saliva, also seen in animals. Then the gross lesion. Vesicles on the mucosa of lips, dorsum of tongue, and palate in cattle, also in cornea and other and teeth. Lesions also seen in rumen, reticulum, and omasum. Hemorrhage and diffusion in edema, diffuse edema in the mucosa of abomasum and small intestine. There may be due to gastroenteritis and myocardial lesion in young calves. There is tigroid heart. So tigroid heart is very important condition in FMD. In sheep, the lesions appears on dental pad only. Then the microscopic lesions. Vacuoles appears in the cells of epithelium with eosinophilic cytoplasm and pycnotic nuclei. These small vesicles coalesce to form larger ones and the epithelium get detached. Hyaline degeneration and necrosis of the myocardium fiber, also in skeletal muscle, triggered heart appearance. Secondary bacterial infection produces osteomyelitis and seborrheic arthritis. Then the secondary effects include mastitis, anemia, disturbance in sexual function, diabetes, overgrowth of hair, cardiac cicatrices, panting, dyspnea, delayed growth of young animals. Important sequelae of FMD is infertility and decreased production of probably due to endocrine damage, especially the thyroid gland. Then the diagnosis include clinical signs and lesion, complement fixation test, virus isolation and polymerase chain reaction. So thank you friend.